Okay, 2006 Trailblazer SS. Driving on the road, just completely died. Read a bunch of stuff that it could be ECM. I just want to show this quick video. Already got the ECM out, so I'm pulling the top off. I've already fixed it, but I just want to show where it's at for people that
What's this, Daddy? It's kind of
need to fix
big.
theirs. So there's a, let me get that light out of the way. Right there. Right there is where mine was broke. I don't know if that's the common spot or not.
Get this.
A little bit of solder, just to see where the placement's at. Like here's the terminals. So mine was on the top side, closest to the firewall. I don't know if that was it. Actually didn't take very long. Hopefully it works.